Good morning, beautiful people. Are you excited, Lincoln? We're super excited. We've got some fun stuff happening today. We are doing Lincoln's big room makeover. He has his own room and a big boy bed that we just ordered that came in, and it's going to be so cute. And if you missed our last vlog, we just did a room reveal for Ethan, and your room turned out amazing.
It is really cool.
It is so cool, so you definitely need to check out that video. But today we're doing Lincoln's room, and also Steven and his dad and some workers have been working on the barn. They're doing like a facelift on it, taking off all the rotten boards, redoing the doors and windows, taking off all the ivy that had grown over the entire structure. And so then we're gonna paint it eventually, but it looks so good, and I'm super excited about that because that's kind of been like the last space that we're wanting to renovate on our property. Well, we have a few other projects that are actually, we're starting very, very soon, but the barn's gonna look amazing, and that's where Steven's dad does his woodworking, and so that's gonna look awesome. Oh, there's Daddy. Are you gonna come with us? Lincoln just really wanted to go on a drive. So we're just gonna drive around for a little bit. And yeah, we were just entering the vlog in here. Lincoln really wanted to get in the car, so I was like, we'll go for a little afternoon drive, and then we're going to put his room together, and it's so exciting. All right, let's go for a little drive. I feel like we're in Alice in Wonderland right now. We have a path that goes to nowhere. Do you remember like the little dog with like the broom tail that like sweeps away the path, and she's like, no, I'm really lost. Ethan put on his fuzzy house slippers before leaving.
And they're too small.
They're too small? That's funny. Good boy, Angus.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job, buddy.
I think he likes it. It's so cute how he's holding it with his paws. Transportation, construction vehicles kind of theme, and I found a bunch of cute stuff at H&M. I didn't even realize that they had like a home section, but they had like really cute little curtains and fitted sheets and just decor for the room. And so I'm really excited. We'll have like the navy furniture and little pops of green and red, so like primary colors but kind of soft, more neutral feeling, and so I think it's gonna turn out really cute.
So while Amanda is in Lincoln's room getting things kind of prepped to start decorating, we were hanging out in Ethan's room with Lennon, and we are playing a game called June's Journey. I want to say a huge thank you to June's Journey for sponsoring this video. We love June's Journey, guys. It is somehow both relaxing and engaging at the same time. Like such a satisfying game because you're having to locate these clues, like hidden objects you have to find, and it really tests your observation skills as you drive the story forward. At the same time, you're building out your own little world as you progress, and they even have seasonal events to keep things fresh. You can download June's Journey for free on iOS or Android, or even PC if you just click the link in our description box or scan this QR code right here. It's free, it's fun, so do it and play along with us.
So the bed did not come with instructions, but I think it's pretty straightforward because it's a headboard, footboard, it rails. It has like a bunch of screws and things, so I guess we'll just try to figure this out ourselves. Got my super handy dandy man here.
Handy dandy mandy.
Which I would just like to say, you have done an amazing job, especially the past couple weeks with all the projects. Getting the RV moved. Did you guys see the RV moving in our previous video? And this is out, you can actually see out the window here. There's no RV. That's where the chicken coop is gonna go. We're going to have a cute little chicken coop and run and we'll move the greenhouse because it is just too shady over there in the summer. It gets so, like the springtime it's okay, but as soon as like the leaves really come in full, you can't put anything over there because there's not enough sun. So we're gonna move that towards the back and then just make this more of like the chicken area. So we're gonna put this room together while Lincoln is downstairs watching a show, and then we'll surprise him and just see what his reaction is. I don't know if he like understands, like he's having a new room and it's gonna be just his, because him and Ethan have shared a room for a long time at this point, and so he's actually never had, oh no, he's had a room to himself. Yeah, because when we had the rent house, he had that, but that was only, yeah, that was that a full year?
We actually had enough
that was about a year.
He could totally.
Yeah, so, but it's been a while, and so yeah, it'll be interesting to see his reaction to having his own space again. And I think this room is going to be perfect. It is on the smaller side. This used to be Penny's room. So Penelope actually has the room that the boys used to share. And then Kira wanted to take the room that used to be Jude and Liam's. And then Ethan has Kira's old room. And our friend Emma actually moved in and she's in the guest room in the basement. And then Reese has her room down there as well. So we've all kind of rearranged a little bit, but it's what works out best for this season. And I'm sure like in the future, if we wanted to change rooms or need to like change it up a little bit again, we can always do that down the line. But we figured we wanted to utilize the space as best as we could right now for the layout.
Ideally, in the long run, Penny would like to be in the basement.
Penny wants to go to the basement eventually.
She'd like to be in the guest room downstairs.
Yeah. She has the biggest room right now. So she went from the smallest room here. She's actually, all of the kids have kind of taken turns having like the biggest room or the smallest room, and they've all been really good sports about it. But yeah, she's got the biggest room upstairs now, and then eventually she might move downstairs to the basement too. So that'll be cool. Found the instructions. Also, we have Pappy to help, so. He's been helping us with all the projects. Linky, are you trying to see what we're doing up here? We're putting your bed together. It's gonna be your room. Yeah. It's your room, buddy. Oh, are you helping build it?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, he's helping with a little tool. Are you gonna close me out of the room? No. Don't close me out. You're silly. You're so silly. Boom.
And don't think it will.
You're silly.
Pressure.
Boom. Boom. Good one, Mom. Nice. Lincoln, that's your bed.
He's ready.
Yeah. You like it?
You like it?
You do like it. He's like, it's perfect for bouncing. Guys, so we got most of Lincoln's room put together yesterday. I was hanging curtains into the evening, and we just have a few final touches to put on it today, and then we can show you the final reveal. But Steven and I and some of the girls are getting ready because we are going to a very special showing of The Princess Bride. It's actually downtown Nashville, where the Nashville Symphony is playing along to the movie. So it's going to be such a cool experience. I'm really, really excited. That's one of our favorite movies. Like, Princess Bride is definitely up there, one of the best movies. If you haven't seen it, definitely should because it is incredible. And we quote it all the time. It's so funny. But yeah, the girls are gonna go with us. Penelope's decided to stay back and watch the boys for us, which is super sweet of her. We actually took her recently to see Shenyun, which is a really cool Chinese culture and music show. And so we did that with her recently too. And so she opted to stay with the boys and babysit them so that we could take the other girls with us to go see The Princess Bride. So this is gonna be a very special afternoon. Then we'll come back and finish putting Lincoln's room together.
All right, it is intermission, so we're taking a quick break, but like, it's magical, guys. Like, we've seen this movie 400,000 times.
It's one of our all-time favorite movies that we quote all the time.
All the time, and it's so funny because like you see it and like it's got a new life to it. Like everyone is laughing at all of the stuff. Like you sing it for the first time because like
you can tell
so
everybody
fun.
else loves the movie just as much as we do, and it's just such a cool, unique experience. And the Nashville Orchestra Symphony is amazing.
And
so, yeah. That was the coolest thing we've done in such a long time.
So
like
fun.
Amazing. I'm so happy.
So good.
So much fun. Oh my gosh, you've got foggy glasses. Hi Linky, we're back. Hey. Hi, I missed you. Hi. Okay, so we are home from the symphony and we are ready to put the final touches on Lincoln's room. I just have a few things to hang on the walls. And then we will bring him in and show him and show you guys the final result. But it like has turned out so cute. I'm so excited.
So good.
Poison ivy.
Got a couple poison ivy.
Yeah.
Gotta spray that. I can't.
Yeah. Don't want to fling that around into the air. Look at that. It looks so good now.
Better. Yeah. So just gotta put some grass seed out and then
Yep.
chicken coop up.
Give a hug.
Give me a hug. Oh, okay.
He just wants the remote. Thank you so much for watching the boys.
Yeah, hope you guys have fun.
We did have a good time. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I got a little treat for myself, which is called peach ice cream.
Peach ice cream?
Yeah. Oh my God,
That looks really cool.
Looks pretty nice. It
What's
looks
this
like
from
a peach.
Kim's Market?
Yeah.
Cool. I've never seen that there.
It looks like a peach, and the flavors taste like a peach.
Really?
I know, it's interesting, right?
It looks really cool. Wow. Have you had this before?
No, this is my first time trying it.
Oh my gosh.
Very
They look
interesting.
so pretty.
It's like a
Almost too
peach.
pretty to eat.
I know. There you go.
Oh my gosh. That
That's
is
like
the
a
coolest
perfect-
thing.
And then look how they make that. It looks
It
so
really
nice.
does look like it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, like so peachy. I don't want to eat yours first though.
No, just eat it. It's okay. It'll melt it. Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
It's good.
that's really good. Oh my gosh,
Try.
that's so good.
Mmm.
It's really
Oh my
creamy,
God,
but
oh my
also
God.
peachy. Yeah,
No.
that's delicious.
Only
Try
girls.
it?
No. Here, try it.
Okay.
Try it. It's pretty good. Oh my gosh.
That's really good. You found a good one, Penny.
They got like
delicious?
they got mango, peach. Try it.
Oh, Penny's sharing with everyone. Thanks, Penny.
Okay, now this is all my gosh.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, you can give a kiss. Say hi, friends. Oh, Angus wants to say hi too. Angus, you being friendly? You just want to climb on top of me. He's literally been climbing on top of me when I sit down lately. I know, you think you're a baby too. Which one's the baby of the family,
Yes, I learned my lesson. Count your blessings up to the rising sun. Yeah,
Good song, Linky. We're dancing, huh? You like that one?
Ooh, this is a good one.
Boo, boo.
You know this one?
Boo.
More songs. We're having a dance party, huh?
Boo.
More, yeah. More songs.
Boo.
More songs? You like to dance? You like to dance, huh? So some of you guys know that Lincoln has struggled with seizures basically since we adopted him, although they have changed a lot over the years, and unfortunately they've gotten a lot worse for the most part over the years. So he's been on multiple different medications, and we really haven't shown the full extent of the struggles with that because it's been really scary and we haven't had a lot of answers, and we've gone to multiple specialists and just working with this neurologist to try to get to the bottom of it. In this past year they got really bad to where he was having 3 to 4 bigger ones a week for the most part, and so that was really, really scary. But I'm very excited to share with you guys that his seizure specialist that he's been seeing in the past few months put him on a new medication, and it is like a specialized form of CBD oil, like a medical grade form of CBD oil. And since starting that, he started this about a month and a half ago, he's only had 1 seizure. So that is something that has just like been an enormous blessing to us. Yeah, Linky, I'm so happy. We're talking to the friends about how you're doing a good job. Yeah, you are doing a good job. We're just so very grateful because he has been on multiple medications that were not working, and we're having a lot of really bad side effects, including loss of, he was regressing a lot, he was losing a lot of his language skills. We were looking back at some of our vlogs from a few years back, and he was speaking so much more and he was imitating a lot of words, and he's lost so much of that to where now he only says a few words. He of course still says mom and he'll say more and ball, but he doesn't say as much as he used to. And so that's one of the side effects of some of the medications that he's been on. So thankfully, because he's doing so well on the CBD oil, they are going to be able to start eventually tapering him off. Yeah, off of these other medications that aren't working very well and have these high side effects. So I'm so incredibly grateful. It feels like we have gotten some answers and we're on a good path for healing for him. Yeah, so that's just something I wanted to share with you guys now that we kind of have some answers and he's doing better. We didn't want to like worry you guys about that because it is really scary. But he's doing a lot better, and I'm just so incredibly grateful. Linky, you so happy? You've been such a big boy. Yeah, these are our friends. We love them, don't we? And they love you, Linky. They love you so much. Yeah, we're gonna go night-night in a minute. We're gonna say bye-bye. He hasn't seen his room yet. He didn't want to go upstairs because I think he knew like it's almost bedtime, and so we'll just see how it goes. But he did get some glimpses of the room as we were putting it together, so it's not going to be a huge surprise. He was like very excited about it, but this will be his first night in his new room, and so I hope it goes well. I think it really will. I know that he is going to really like the room, so hopefully he will have a really good first night in his new big boy bed tonight. What is Daddy doing? Where did he go? Where's Daddy, Lincoln? Daddy's so silly. He's like, Angus, you gave it away.
You little turkey.
Angus is like, I found you, I found you.
Well,
Yeah, buddy. Oh, thank you so much. That's a nice kiss. He like pulls you in and then he pushes you away.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you.